Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by wearing the jeans with a thin spacer shirt so you can judge the new fit. Once pinned, you'll see where fabric needs removing. Mark a clear 1/2-inch inward guideline with tailor's chalk. Use 2 safety pins or a fabric clip to hold the excess. This gives consistent tension while you work. Make sure pins are secure and symmetric, because small asymmetry becomes obvious once the jeans are loose and walking around. Now work carefully. Fold the excess fabric toward the center in 1/4-inch pleats, then secure each pleat with 2-3 hand stitches using strong thread. Once done, smooth the waistband and add running stitches through the inner seam allowance only so the outside looks untouched. After every small set of stitches, try the jeans on to gauge tightness. This iterative approach avoids overtaking. If it feels too tight, remove the last stitch set and adjust the pleat depth before continuing. To finish, tuck remaining bulk inside and trim minimal fabric, preserving about 1/2-inch seam allowance so edges don't fray. Once satisfied, reinforce inner stitches with fabric glue dots for a durable no-sew result that still looks factory-made on the outside. Make sure to press the waistband flat with a cloth and warm iron. This locks folds in place. If the fit is uneven, loosen the last pleat or add one more pin, then resecure. That single change usually corrects most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.